while since the last time that I smiled. I heard the saying, what goes up must come down, but I would never think that would come in between us. My heart was fighting for our love, but my heart got beat up. A little nigga will tell you how much he loves you. A real nigga will prove it to you he loves you. A little nigga will just always wanna hug you, but a real nigga will show you no one's above you. Open up your eyes and open up your heart, let me in, and I promise no one will tear us apart. It's the end, but let's take it to the start. You and I, me and you, baby, you know who you are. I got the key to your heart, but you won't let me in. I know you feel the pain, I could be your medicine. You and I, that's what love is. I promise to keep my promise, baby, I promise. I promise to be here when you need me. Just promise that you will never leave me. I promise to be here when you need me. Just promise that you will never leave me. She got me saying
GB.
Look, I just wanted to tell you that I'm sorry for every time I hurt you, you know. But it's like you're just taking advantage of me right now, you know. And I just wanted to tell you that I'm sorry, but I'm done. You used to be the girl that I was in love with, but now you're just another girl that I fucked with. Why? Cause you did me hella dirty, and every time that you hurt me, our future kept looking blurry. I wanna tell you how my feelings were for you. I will do it all for you, I will give it all to you, girl. Just tell me, why did you ever hurt me? I know there's other guys, but those other guys are thirsty. Did you find the one that's worthy? I thought about the past and you didn't deserve me. And I know there's more fish in the sea, but to me, I was blind so I really couldn't see. And I know we were never meant to be, cause you're just another girl that is walking down the street. I don't talk about my feelings, I just write them on the paper. Now I'm writing this song, how we became strangers. It's been a couple days since the day you walked away from me. I don't know what to do, I'm hoping that you'll come back to me. I apologize for the things that I put you through. I just wanna be with you, babe, can you forgive me too? Cause we've been through a lot and both of us made a mistake. Whatever happened to us, we went our separate ways. I'm wishing you could stay for at least one more day, so I can show you that my heart really wants you to stay. And look, I know both of us think different, and I know both of us can make our own decisions. I just wanna make it clear that I'm always here. You can always keep me near every time you shed a tear. I just wanna show you that I care about you. If I wouldn't, then I wouldn't be thinking about you. I just wanna tell you that you're still a part of me, and I'm hoping every day that you take my apology. I'm sorry for the pain, I'm sorry for the lies. It's hurting me inside knowing that I made you cry. I never meant to hurt you, you were the one for me. Standing here alone, hoping you take my apology. I'm sorry for the pain, I'm sorry for the lies. It's hurting me inside knowing that I made you cry. I never meant to hurt you, you were the one for me. Standing here alone, hoping you take my apology. So here I am, looking outside my window, thinking about the past. It's getting hard to let go. Damn, I don't even know what's wrong with me. I just thought that maybe you were falling in love with me. I guess it was all in my head, cause in reality a fairy tale is just pretend. Maybe in the future we can try this again, cause for right now it's better just to stay friends. And this song, I wrote it with my heart. I love you either way, if we're together or apart. And even if we're friends, I wanna say you're still a part of me. I'm hoping every day that you take my apology. I'm sorry for the pain, I'm sorry for the lies. It's hurting me inside knowing that I made you cry. I never meant to hurt you, you were the one for me. Standing here alone, hoping you take my apology. I'm sorry for the pain, I'm sorry for the lies. It's hurting me inside knowing that I made you cry. I never meant to hurt you, you were the one for me. Standing here alone, hoping you take my apology. I'm sorry for the pain, I'm sorry for the lies.